Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today, in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on copy document action along with an example. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the copy document action include? How can a document be copied in the checked out stage? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access. Additionally, the user also must have the DMS form access. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document. Checkout. Check-in. Undo checkout. Delete. Move document. Forward. Document access. Send email. Send email with QR code. Chat. Attachment. Subscribe, unsubscribe document. Copy document. Download. Workflow. Upload. In document. Out document. Enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Copy document. The copy document action in a DMS allows users to create a duplicate document of an existing document, including its content, structure, and metadata. Users can copy a document even if they only have read permission. This action is useful for creating templates or similar documents without modifying the original. Copied documents can be edited, checked out, or shared independently. It helps to improve efficiency by reducing repetitive work and supports smooth collaboration among users, roles, and teams. Let us understand it by using example. Suppose the HR department has a company leave policy document. They copy the document to customize it for a specific department with additional rules or contact details. This allows HR to share customized policies with individual departments while preserving the original policy document for future reference. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the Employees Policies 2026 folder to view all the uploaded documents. Then, select the Leave Policy document and click the three ellipses next to it. This will show the list of the document actions available in the DMS. Select the Copy Document action from the list. Clicking this opens the Copy Document pop-up on the user's screen. The user then enters the required details to copy the document. Let's go through each of these details one by one. First, document name. The user can enter a name for the document. Please make sure that the document name does not contain special characters, except for underscores, hyphens, dots, and brackets. For example, I entered Revised Leave Policies. Next, select the folder where user want to save the copied document. The user can either type the folder name or click the folder info icon to open the folder screen. This screen displays all folders where user have read-write permissions. Select the folder where user want to save the document. For example, HR Department Document folder and click OK to confirm. Next, select a document category from the drop-down options if the user wants to copy the document with an associated document category. For example, select Policies document from the list. Next, keep checkout. Checkbox. Enabling this checkbox indicates that the copied document will be created in the checked out stage. Right now, I am not enabling this option. After entering all the details, click OK to copy the document. An information message then appears on the user screen, confirming that the document has been successfully copied, along with the document name. The user can click the cross icon to close the message. To verify, the user returns to the form header by clicking on My DMS. Then, select the folder where the document was copied. For example, select the HR Department Documents folder. Here, the user can see the Revised Leave Policies copied document successfully. The document is created in the checked-in stage because the Keep Checkout checkbox was not selected while copying the document. The user clicks on the document name. its details open. The user can see that the policy's document category is attached to the document as it was selected while copying the document. So, in this video, we have covered the copy document action, and the remaining actions will be explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.